Hello students, welcome to Lifespan Development class. This is an online 8 weeks class, and what you need to do is just make sure that you have your course. Click on the course, and then the first thing you need to do is check on the announcement, and I have posted the welcome announcement already with my picture here, as you can see. And also just make sure that you look at this announcement every week. There will be information, in fact at least minimum twice a week, because there will be announcement twice a week for sure, and could be more. So keep looking at the announcement. And then here is the syllabus on your syllabus tab. So it actually gives you the information regarding what are the chapters you need to read for various weeks. So this is my information. This is my cell phone, so you can always text me or call me directly, and again, any time of the day is fine. If I do not answer, just leave a voicemail, I'll call you back. You can text me if you really need an urgent answer, or otherwise you can still text me. And here are the weekly units. Based on these units, just make sure you covering these chapters, reading these chapters, and based on these chapters you'll have to take a discussion post and a quiz for sure for every week. But on top of it, like week 2 would have an assignment on top of it. Most of the assignment is APA format with the cover page and reference page APA format. Just make sure you do it correctly. Do not just cite the website directly. There's a way how you do APA sites and citing websites. Just make sure you know how to do it beforehand, or go to the library. There's ample resources for you to do APA. Get it from there, and then just make sure that you write your papers in APA format. Next thing what I would like you to do is every week just go by the weekly units. So you click on the weekly units and scroll down, go by week every week. So the first week, which is the week of the 23rd, October 23rd, just make sure you go on weekly units week 1. Of course, the announcement will give you the information actually what has to be done for the entire week. So this is how you have to go by week 1, and these are the chapters you need to read, and there's certain information. You have the PowerPoint, lecture notes, and then if you scroll down, there are a couple videos, really interesting, informative videos for you to watch, and for both the chapters. And here is the discussion. So when you're doing the discussion every week, there is discussion respective. The assignments could be every other week, but discussions for sure are every week. So you will click on this discussion here, and once you click on the discussion, what you need to do is just, there is a question, and every this discussion question could be answered by just clicking on the reply post. So once you click on the reply post on this anonymous discussion 1, you can post your discussion. So once you click on the anonymous post and replying, that will be considered your main discussion post, right? It's your discussion post. Now, after you've done that, suppose you've done, whatever it is, you've written the discussion post, and then you post submit, that's your discussion post, okay? So this will appear like this. Now what you need to do is you have to go 3 days, any different days. So your weeks, the first week at least is like, it's beginning from Wednesday. So you can go on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, 3 different days, and see who's posted this discussion post already. So few of your classmates must have posted the discussion post by Thursday, Friday. So go on Thursday, read one of your discussion posts one of your classmates have already posted, and once you read it is H, okay, she could have written more, I really liked it. So what you're going to do is click on the reply and relate it to the post your classmate has written. Please be appreciative and critical at the same time, and critique as to what was missing in the post, what could you have added on to the post. So it has to be a substantive discussion reply post, right? So that's one. So it's the same way you're going to go 3 times, 3 different days to post the reply post to your classmates to any other discussion. So I hope you got it. So every week you have to post a discussion post by clicking on the reply for the anonymous post which is posted. That will be your discussion post. And on top of it, you have to go 3 different days to reply to one of your classmates on the discussion post they have posted. Right? Appreciating as well as criticizing or adding or subtracting. So there has to be substantive reply post in all 3 reply posts, right? For you to get the points. So that's about the discussion post. Every week, again, remember just to go on the weekly units, and once you go on the weekly units, you'll be able to gather all the information for the week. So there will be discussion posts for sure every week, and that's how you have to do your discussion post and 3 reply posts going on 3 different days. So first week is a little shorter week, so you can still go every day probably you'll have to go. So it starts Wednesday, so if you go post a discussion post by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, all 3 days, different days, you'll have to go and post a reply post. I think you can do it until Sunday, so that's fine for the first week, but just make sure for the following weeks you are done with all 3 reply posts by Saturday. So discussion post, and then there would be a quiz. So once you go on and click on the quiz here, you'll be able to, again, it's kind of clearly states that the estimated 60 minutes. You have multiple attempts here, so you can go and begin and take the quiz. So this is almost every week that you have to take the quiz. Just make sure you take the quiz before 11:59 p.m. Sunday. So that should be taken every week as well. Right, so again, these are things which are every week, and on top there will be assignments. As I mentioned, assignments would be it starts actually from the 2nd week, but not every week. Again, it has to be APA format, and the assignments have to be uploaded in the Word document with APA format cover page and reference page, again in APA format, and you have to just scroll down and click on the assignment, and once you click on the assignment, you'll be able to upload your document from your desktop or laptop by just scrolling down, browse my computer, and you'll be able to upload here. So whatever your assignments are, just upload on, and you'll be all set. So the rubrics and everything would be there in the announcement. It'll be clear indication as to what the announcement entails. Again, it's every time it'll be mentioned, times, again, APA format, 12-point times Roman numbers. So just make sure that you go adhere to the APA guidelines and post your assignments accordingly. So that's about the entire overview of the course, but hopefully if you have any other questions, you can always give me a call. Again, I gave you my number on the syllabus, and I would be writing down the syllabus on the other places as well, so that you can get it, and you'll be able to reach out to me as and when you want. So hopefully we'll enjoy the 8 weeks, and welcome to the class. So thank you.